Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Ask to Buy requires a family organizer Apple ID to approve purchases and manage requests. It works when you set up family sharing and add family members as child accounts. The feature covers App Store purchases, in-app purchases, and subscriptions across devices. Requests arrive as notifications to the organizer's iPhone or iPad. The organizer reviews each request and either approves or declines it instantly. Approval completes automatically, and downloads begin on the child's device after confirmation. Open Settings on your iPhone and tap your name at the top to access Apple ID settings. Next, tap Family Sharing to view family members and roles you manage. Select the child account you want to control and tap Ask to Buy to toggle it on. You must be the family organizer to enable Ask to Buy and receive purchase requests. After enabling, test by initiating a free app request from the child's device to confirm notifications arrive correctly. When a child makes a purchase request, you will receive a notification on your iPhone or iPad. Open the notification to review the app or subscription details and either approve or decline the request immediately. You can also manage requests inside family sharing settings under the child's account history. For extra control, require the child to enter a password for purchases in screen time settings. To disable Ask to Buy later, select the child in family sharing and toggle the feature off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.